right there. Wow. You and your shortcuts, I swear, man.
So do you know what time I got here with people, or is this anything? Like, if you didn't do childcare, would you do, like, secretary or receptionist?
I'm not good at things like that.
You're not?
I mean, I guess I could do it. I put my mind to it, but...
What if you were, like, a music teacher for a middle school or high school?
I need a degree.
Do you? And your degree just in music?
And some performance. I need a certificate. I'm going to get it. It's back in my bucket.
Just to get what?
Master's.
Oh, yeah? Mm-hmm. Maybe you still go to school.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
You know where you want to go to school? Oh, yeah? That's a really good school right here.
You and your shortcuts, Josh. Come on. You're like an animal.
I'm trying to get my camera. So I don't have to go into debt for that. You just need to find somewhere to work where you can get paid for something.
I really think
Good stuff, man. It's a spool.
Would you want to teach singing?
Yeah, I do.
Oh. Is this a good area for that?
Yes.
I know. I want to play piano so bad. But I don't know who to teach me. I gotta find somebody.
Very, very, very long and very, very, very simple.
Really? Yeah. Me? Yeah. Okay.
6 different mushrooms.
Wow. Hey, hey. Oh, man. We're finding mushrooms all over the place.
Can you read music? Yeah. I mean, I played flute and saxophone at middle school.
Oh, cool.
And I really want to pick the flute back up, but it was my sister, so she has it on me, so.
That's awesome. So cool. You know, they could sing in a band.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I'd have to relearn it, though. It wouldn't take very long. long. Because, you know, once you learn something, it'll come back to you as you practice it.
Uh-huh.
Mm.